KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
KeyDigital KD-Pro8x8D 8x8 HDMI HDBT video matrix system with audio de-embedding and preamp functionality. Each of the 8 inputs is on HDMI connectors supporting HDCP 2.2 and video resolutions up to 4K with HDR at a maximum of 10.2 gigabits per second. Each of the 8 inputs has independent EDID control so that handshaking can be unique for each connected source as desired and specified by the integrator using the KeyDigital Device Manager or KeyDigital Management Software Professional version. Each of the outputs has HDMI and HDBT, which are both simultaneously active yet mirrored per grouping. Additionally, each output has analog and digital audio de-embed ports, which provide you with the audio of the selected video source for the respective output. Analog audio is on 6-pin Phoenix connectors, supporting balanced or unbalanced connectivity. Digital is on a PCM RCA connector, supporting up to 5.1 digital audio formats. Analog audio connector has volume control, muting control, multi-band EQ, and lip sync delay that can be added up to 200 milliseconds per output. KD-Pro8x8D also features 3-pin Phoenix connectors for control pass-through to the connected RX balun, or can be used as control ports of the Compass Control Pro control system. The HDBT ports 1 and 5 also support long-range mode, enabling 1080p extension up to 500 feet or 4K up to 70 meters. Each of the outputs supports ARC, and outputs 1 and 5 support ARC from the connected RX balun, which can be returned from the display's HDMI or external Toslink connector. This is controllable via IR, RS-232, or TCP/IP, and because it is TCP/IP controllable, it is also app-ready, controllable by KeyDigital's KD app. You can do input-output switching and volume controls per output. KD-Pro8x8D. For more information, please read the owner's manual, downloadable at KeyDigital.com.